y'all. Hey, how y'all doing? I hope everybody's feeling good and great and all that other shit. The sun is a sign, but that should not stop you from going outside and getting you some breath of fresh air so you can have some clarity and start your day with some good spirits, as always. And y'all know how I do it. I just jump right into it. So look, so check this out. I was contemplating on watching this I don't know if it's docu-series or a movie, whatever they want to title it as, on Netflix, and it's called Our Father. And I was sitting, I was like, am I gonna watch this? No, yes. So anyway, one day I didn't have anything to do, and I was like, yo, let me watch this. So I did, and it was like, in a nutshell, it's really disgusting. But wait, before I go there, I have a question for my ladies. Ladies, when regarding to a GYN, would you prefer a female doctor, or does it matter if the doctor is male or female? I'm going to give you my answer. I prefer a female. In case in point, this is the reason why. Well, no, there's other many reasons why, but definitely listen to this shit. So in the movie, docu-series, whatever the fuck it's called, Our Father, there were these ladies was having complications with becoming pregnant, so they went to a fertility doctor, and who just happened to be a male, and this male is Caucasian, and some of the women who went there brought their husband's sperm with them to be injected into their egg. Lo and behold, this nasty, disgusting, vile, um, low life, narcissist, sadist. Oh, what the fuck you was doing? You just ugh all the way around. Was injecting them with his own sperm. So how did it come to about that they found out about it? It was a daughter. This lady, and she has a daughter, and she went to her mother and was like, "You could just tell me, was I adopted?" Because she's the only one in the family that has like the blonde hair and blue eyes. Everybody else had dark hair, dark eyes. So her mother finally told her, that her and her father was having issues with complications with having a baby. So they went to a fertility doctor, and boom, that's how she was created. So she was like, okay, she just wanted to see if she had any brothers or sisters, or if she even had dated anyone. I think this was in Indiana, I believe. And so she would go on the ancestry thing, did the swab and all this sort of shit. And to her surprise, honey, it was a lot of them, a lot. So they all got together and realized that this man had done this, not 10, not 20, not 30, but 95 motherfucking times. 94 motherfucking times. And they did have a sit down meeting with them. Why, when he came, because clearly in the state where you can carry, he came with a gun. Mind you, he's an older guy. He came with a gun, and she also tried to went public with it. He was threatening the first the first daughter, who don't consider him her father, but in actuality he is her father. And I understand, everybody gets it, right? He was starting to threaten her, telling her, "You're gonna ruin my family." Bitch, you ruined her motherfucking family. Although the mother did go there for artificial insemination, she didn't know that she was getting your DNA. No one knew that. Like all 94 of these couples that came to you, no one knew that. But you was doing that on your own. So clearly you was motherfucking jacking off and storing your shit wherever they stored the semen, or jacking your shit off before they got there and putting it in a thing and then inserting it into these ladies. Disgust. Yo, and then, he's supposed to be all of the church and all of this. Like, you're gonna hurt my bitch. It doesn't matter. Like, you're going to hell. Do you not know that? God is in here, honey. It's not a place, or it's in here. Cha. Well, there's many reasons why I don't want a male, especially a male Caucasian, but male period, but definitely not a male Caucasian doctor. For all of the fuckery they have done to our ancestors and continue to do with us medically, you know how we don't get the same treatment and all this so shit, get misdiagnosed, or our pains is like it's like to the side. And the crazy shit is like they had started, somebody created something where black women was having issues with finding doctors that looked like them because there was a lot of cases where women, black women, were dying on the table when they having their children. So they started, and whoever did it, why they use a woman not like a black woman, like either she was mixy or she was Hispanic or something. Why you didn't use an authentic black one? I'm just like it's just a whole bunch of fuckery that just be going on. But back to this goddamn doctor, disgusting on so many levels. Like, this is the killer right here. So they took him to court and all of that. Why? I do not believe that I don't think he was still practicing, but they still should have stripped it from him so he'll know that he can know, like no, you can't participate in nothing. I don't believe they didn't strip him of that. And they did something. I think he has to register or something. I don't even remember. Um he should have been able to, they should have allowed him to register as a sex offender because yes, you did commit that crime. And now that you did it 94 times, and they fined him $500. $500. He should have been charged $1,000,000. And not only that, and that money should have been spread out. No, probably like $5 million. He should have felt that. Because isn't there some sort of a code or creed that you guys go through as doctors that you have to follow by? Like, why is this getting slipped through the cracks like that? Why is he getting a go home? That was wrong. But see, that's also letting you know like how Caucasian culture is, though. They with that type of shit. Now look at that abortion shit. Look at how they've been disrespecting their women for a long time. Like, but it's just this ain't nothing new. Hunty. Listen, let me know what y'all think about that. And if you haven't watched it, please watch it and come back and let me know what you think about that. But the one thing I definitely want you ladies to answer, as far as a GYN, would you prefer a male or a female doctor? And once again, bitch, I want a female. I don't want no male. No, especially not a Caucasian male. No. Uh, moving right along. Like when a woman's fed up, honey, when a woman's fed up, she fed up. So I had a client who come to me because he and his wife had decided to separate. They've been together for 3 decades. They decided to separate, and on the separation time, and I had been telling them that they need to separate because you know how relationships go. They like that. It, you know what I'm saying? And it requires a lot of work, and if you're not putting in that work, then when a woman's fed up. So she decided not to come back, and so he was like, "Yo, what can I do?" and all of this. So I gave him some suggestions because everybody needs some suggestions because some people don't have some people just need suggestions on how to romance, right? And but I said, but it has to be genuine. Like if you say you're gonna do something, like I can give you a suggestion, but you have to act the shit out. Like you are the one that has to do it, and you have to stick to it. Like it's not just this one day when she comes home. Like you have to, and not only you, but she also have to put in the work. Like it's a never ending cycle, people, with relationships and shit. You guys gotta it's reciprocated. It's constant. That's how the shit goes. So, he's in the process of doing that. And I'm like, don't want her back because you feel like you need her. Like, it has to be like, do you really want her in your life? Like you really you feel it in your soul? Like, and if you feel it like that and in your heart, you know what I'm saying? Then do what you need to do to win her back. That's just how that goes. And I also told him, like, just be warned. I just would like to warn you. She may not want to come back. And you just have to eat that. You're gonna have to just go on with your life. Don't try to don't stalk her. Like, not say that I don't know if this person would do that, but don't be constantly putting it in. If she said no, when somebody says no, motherfucker, that's what the fuck that shit means. No, nada. Uh-uh. Get the fuck out of here. All that shit. That's what that means. I also have another client who been married for like, I think she said close to like 4 decades, because they got married four to like 5 decades, because she got married like at like 18, real young. And she was like, she told me that she feels like she only cooks and cleans for him because he don't touch her, uh he don't look at her, none of that. So basically, they ain't fucking. So I was like, whoa. So then this happened. Her daughter needed help with the kids, her daughter and the daughter's husband. So she goes to the state where she is, and now she's helping her. And in the midst of that, she found her somebody, and she's happy. And she was like, and I have been times like, I think it's time. I mean, you could. I told her to consider divorce, because if it's lackluster, like nothing, and I'm like, do you try to do your advances towards him like as a woman? Put your seductive art on. And she was just like nothing. And generally, when a man isn't touching you or fucking you, he's fucking somebody else. It could be a woman, or it could be a man. Bitch, let's not act like that shit don't be happening, because it do. Not saying that that's happening, but I'm just saying. But I'm happy for her. Like, she done found somebody, and she's happy and all that old shit. So, hey, this is how life is. Life goes on. You have to make the choice for you. Like, whatever works for you and for you two in a relationship. And if it's not working, if you're not being satisfied mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, like if you're not getting satisfied like 70% of the time, like in all of those or whatever else matters to you, then you need to rethink it. Or you need to be thinking, then talk to him. See, y'all have to have these conversations. This is the thing, like people not, and I know everybody says that conversation is a key, and it is. But I find that certain people can't talk unless because it can be difficult for some people to express themselves, because sometimes when a person expresses themselves, they get angry. They don't know how to keep it calm and whatnot. But you have to. Even if you can't do it verbally, then maybe you need to send a text or something, and then come back and y'all be able to do it face to face, because you need to be able to speak to your partner. I mean, y'all together. You love him. You love you. Like you have to do that, people. So let your fears go, because this is somebody who you chose, and you both of you chose each other. So you should be able to lay all your cards down and be vulnerable. And sometimes cry, because sometimes you need to cry, and it's okay. That don't mean, even if as a man, that doesn't mean you a sucker or nothing, or that you're not strong as a woman. That doesn't mean that. This is it's an emotion. So anyway, I just wanted to share those stories with y'all today. And if anybody having any issues with their relationships, my suggestion is to lay all your cards out and really have like a serious conversation. Don't wait till you like drunk or high, or when you are in a rage where you feel like you can express yourself. But now when you're in a rage, like you're expressing yourself to to the point of possibly no return, because because you come in at them like But anyway, y'all know my name is Rill. I'm an intimacy coach / seductress with the service called Seductive ArT. I will be having my next Seductive ArT, I'm about to say survey, workshop. And on July 9th, I will keep y'all posted on that. And I also write a blog on my website, which will also be down in the in the description. I am an author. The title of my book is called Quickie. It's 7 short erotic stories. Read while you fuck while you read is what it say. It's only $1.99 and it's in ebook form only. I'm also a designer. I will be having some new arrivals coming soon. I'm super excited about that. So be on the lookout for that. And also I write a blog on fashion on my website as well, which will also be down in the description, called Let's Talk Fashion. And you can also make your purchases there as well. Um, yeah, just like to say thank y'all so much. And y'all already know if I resonate with you, you know what to do. Hit that, click that. I would appreciate that. You know, just hit that, click. It ain't hard. Just hit that, click that. Hit that, click that. Thank you for that. And y'all know how we lead this motherfucker. Be kind, be gracious, be on time, be focused, be um happy, be nice, be polite, be considerate, be concerned, be on time, be aware. Oh, excuse me. Be a great parent. Be great at what you do. Be a great lover, husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, side chick, side nigga. That's what Trick say. Um, be motivated. Be inspiring. Be inspired. Be happy. Be of goodwill. Be of good spirits. Be genuine. Be loving. Be passionate. Be grateful. Be loving. Be about your motherfucking money. Be knowing, yeah, I said it. Be knowing when there's some fake ass motherfuckers around you and know how to eliminate them immediately out your life. Be a part of the solution. Be a part of your community. But most importantly, be you. Until we meet again. This is your girl, Rill. Peace.